Welcome again, students. I am Sonali Patel from Gokhale Education Society, HL English Medium, Ozar Township. I am going to post videos of Maharashtra State Board English Medium subject Sanskrit. Last video we have learned Samayah, Kim Kuryat, Kim Bhavet, Bhasha Sutra. Now we will learn Vidyartha Mala. See your page number 28. First I read whole poem for the pronunciation. सुखार्थी चेत त्यजेत विद्यां विद्यार्थी चेत त्यजेत सुखं सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्या कुतो विद्यार्थिनः सुखं दृष्टिपूतं न्यसेत् पादं वस्त्रपूतं पिबेत् जलं सत्यपूतां वदेत् वाणीं मनःपूतं समाचरेत् धनं लब्धं काङ्क्षेत लब्धं रक्षेत प्रयत्नतः रक्षितं वर्धयेत् सम्यक् वृद्धं तीर्थेषु निक्षिपेत् अक्रोधेन जयेत् क्रोधम् असाधुं साधुना जयेत् जयेत् कदर्यं दानेन जयेत् सत्येन चानृतम् प्रत्यहं प्रत्यवेक्षेत नरश्चरितमात्मनः किन्नु मे पशुभिस्तुल्यं किन्नु सत्पुरुषैरिति. Students, we know that subhashitas that are an integral part of Sanskrit literature convey a very deep meaning. Subhashitas are entertaining as well as informative. Some subhashitas guide us as to how we should behave, what we should do, and what are things we should not do. The word Vidyartha tells the worth or necessity of an action. So let us see, students, first stanza. Sukharthi chet tejet vidya vidyarthi chet tejet sukham sukharthinah kuto vidya kuto vidyarthinah sukham. Sukharthi means to happiness. Chet means if. Tejet means should give up. Kuta means from where. Vidya means knowledge. Sukharthi chet tejet vidyam. Sukharthi to happiness or for comfort. Chet means if. If a person desire happiness or comfort, tejet vidyam. Tejet means give up. Vidya means knowledge. Should give up knowledge. Vidyarthi chet tejet sukham. Vidyarthi means not students. Vidyarthi means knowledge. For knowledge, to getting a knowledge. If a person desire knowledge, tejet sukham, he should give up happiness. Sukham means happiness. Sukharthinah kuto vidya kuto vidyarthinah sukham. Sukharthinah kuto vidya. From where? Kutah means from where does those who desire happiness get knowledge? Kuto vidyarthinah sukham. From where does desire knowledge get comfort or happiness? Students, those who desire knowledge, they should give up comfort. Some example, for getting a knowledge, students come in the school in a rainy season, cold season, hot season, by bus, by bicycle, walking, etc. They should give up comfort that students are not think rainy season is there, cold is there, but they should come anyway in the school for getting the knowledge. Those who desire comfort, happiness, that students are not came to school. They always have excuses. My stomach is paining, rainy season is there, how I go to school, like that. Now, in this COVID situation, you all are safe in home, but and very comfort. But those who desire knowledge, that students only do the hard work. Time to time they seen videos and do the homework classwork. But those who desire comfort, that students are not are only playing games. They are not do the hard work for the knowledge, not done the homework and classwork. So students, in last line, ask the question, from where does those who desire the knowledge get comfort? From where does those who desire comfort get knowledge? Next stanza. दृष्टिपूतं न्यसेत् पादं वज्रपूतं पिबेत् जलं सत्यपूतां वदेत् वाणीं मनपूतं समाचरेत्. Drishtiputam means after seeing. Neset means should place. Padam means legs. Vasraputam means using a cloth purified the water. Pibet means drink. Jalam means water. Satyaputam means purified with truth. Vadit means speak. Vani means language. Manaputam means after thinking. And Samacharit means should act. We should take a step or go ahead after seeing. We should drink water purified using a cloth. We should speak words or language purified with truth, and we should act after thinking. That Subhashitkar has told one should take a step after seeing. Students, we have to take precautions for take a step. For example, taking any decision for our education, career and life. If we start properly and right away, it is always successful and peaceful. And second is one should drink water purified using a cloth. Why should we drink water with purified? If we drink dirty water, we have infected by many different diseases. Hence, we have to drink filter water. Then Subhashitkar said, we should speak words purified with truth. Students, we should always speak truth. Our nation quote is Satyameva Jayate. So, we should follow truth. While speaking, we should use purified language also. Then Subhashitkar said, we should act after thinking. Students, we should think first, then act on it. Wise person always think first and answer or react on the situations politely for the success of their life. See students, little line is there, but big meaning is behind them. So you should follow these all things for the success of your life. Next stanza. धनलब्धं काङ्क्षेत लब्धं रक्षेत प्रयत्नतः रक्षितं वर्धयेत् सम्यक् वृद्धं तीर्थेषु निक्षिपेत्. Dhanam labdham kanksheta. Dhanam plus alabdham. Dhanam means wealth. Alabdham means not obtained. And kanksheta means wish. We should wish for wealth which is not obtained. Labdham raksheta prayatnatah. Labdham means obtain. Rakshet means protect. Prayatnata means efforts. We should protect that which is obtained with efforts. Rakshitam vardhayet samyak. Rakshita means protected. That protected wealth. Vardhayet samyak. Vardhayet means increase. Samyak means properly. Properly increase. Ruddham tirtheshu nikshipet. Ruddha means old heritage. Tirtheshu means holy place. Nikshipet means put into. That properly increased wealth we should put into good use, given a charity. Next stanza. क्रोधेन जयेत् क्रोधम असाधुम साधुना जयेत् जयेत् कदर्यम दानेन जयेत् सत्येन चानृतम. Akrodhena jayet krodham. Akrodhena means with calmness. Jayet means win. Krodham means anger. Antonyms words are there. Akrodham, krodham. We should win over anger with calmness. Asadhum sadhuna jayet. Asadhu means wicked. Sadhuna means goodness. Antonyms word. Asadhum, sadhu. Jayet means win. We should win over the wicked with goodness. Jayet kadaryam danena. Kadaryam means miserliness, conjushpana. Danena means charity. We should win over miserliness with charity. Jayet satyena cha anrutam. Cha plus anrutam. Anrutam means falsehood. And antonyms word satyena means satya means truth. Jayet means win. We should win over falsehood with truth. Satya asatya. Satya anrutam antonyms word. Akrodhena jayet krodham. We should win over the calmness. Students, our nation has big example. As you know, Mahatma Gandhi ji is a very polite person. He always give answer to British very calmly, and that's why we win. He always follow Satya or Ahimsa. That's why we got freedom. Asadhum sadhuna jayat. We should win over the wicked with goodness. Goodness influence wicked people to transfer their thoughts into good way for long term success and peaceful life. Jayat Kadaryam Danena. We should win over miserliness with charity. Jayat Satyena Chandrutam. We should win over falsehood with truth. Our nation's quote is there Satyameva Jayate. So, truth is always win. So, students always speak truth. Next stanza. प्रत्यहं प्रत्यवेक्षेत नरः चरितमात्मनः किन्नु मे पशुभिस्तुल्यं किन्नु सत्पुरुषैरिति. Pratyaham means every day. Pratyavekshet means observe. Narah means man. Charitam means behavior. Atmanah means self. Kinnume means me means I. Did I. Pashubhi tulya. Pashubhi means animal. Tulya means like. Like an animal. Kinnu satpurushairiti. Satpurush means good people. प्रत्यहं प्रत्यवेक्षेत नरः चरित आत्मनः. Nara means man. Charita means behavior. Atmana means self. Man or people should observe his behavior. Pratyaha means every day. What should we observe ourselves, the people? Kinnu me pashubi tulyaha. Did I behave like animals? Or Kinnu me satpurushai riti. Or did I behave like good people? Students, for everybody, self-analysis or observation is very important because of our actions has somebody's life may impacted good or bad. So, for the improving our character, good character, we should observe ourselves. So, students, different type of shlokas are in this Vidyarthi Mala. In these shlokas, little sentence but big meaning behind them. While studying or learning these shlokas, our character should improve. As potter has making a pot with the mud or soil, give a beautiful shape on that soil. These shlokas also give a shape in our life. So we should learn always Subhashitas. Now students, homework and classwork. This Vidyarthi Mala, then Shabdartha, translation you should write in classwork. And Bhashabhyas write in homework only.